It is November the 18th, 2021. I'm Andy, and this is the Minorcan Mullet Report from the Port of Brunswick today. And over in Brunswick, we saw something today that we haven't seen before, and pretty interesting to watch. Both of the blue grapples, both of those Fuchs 390 machines, were working on section number 4, which is down towards the paper part of the port where they store and load the paper. That's where section 4 has been while they've been pulling cars out of it. You can see through there they've got most of the vehicles out of it. Looks like still a few in there, but both of the blue grapples were working in tandem, cleaning off the deck. This was just fascinating. Of course, we sped it up here so you guys can really see some of this stuff. But you got one of the machines that's over there picking up the pieces off the deck, and he's passing them over to the other machine, which is picking them up off of the dry dock and putting them on the truck. Great teamwork here. I don't know if we had to rate an operator, which is the best one. There's a lot of finesse going on there with both the machines, and both operators seem to be very efficient with what they are doing. Pretty sure these are guys that are part of the m.a.r.s operation, and they are handling these things just like it's an extension of their hand, reaching over, grabbing these pieces, and just very gingerly swinging them over, stacking them up where they can then be picked up and placed on the truck. Fascinating to watch, and just true professionals. These guys really are amazing to watch while they put these pieces of equipment through their paces. Now, down at the other end of the port, the crane barge Thor was busy again, picking up pieces of Section 5 that are still on the dry dock and moving them over where they can be processed. They are really whittling this piece down, and we don't expect any remnants of this piece of Section 5 that's still in this dry dock to be visible for very much longer. It's amazing when you've got the right tools and the right people executing a plan, how quickly and efficiently things can happen. And here they are. I want you to take a look at the barge here. Look how they have stacked this barge up. We're sure this will be fastened down, and they'll do some more work to get it ready to go, but she looks like she's just about loaded. The dry dock here, you can see just this small piece of Section 5 still remaining, and you can see that the guys are up there on the man lifts, working away, cutting away on it, and it won't be long before this piece has just vanished. Quite the operation, and so far just very amazed by the speed at which this section has been processed. Here we see the piece of deck that they had picked up, and they were setting it down, just kind of getting these smaller pieces that look like they're going to give them some problems if they tried to lift anything out of the way. And one thing we did notice, this is on the car barge that was being unloaded yesterday. Hey, what's that in the water? Oh, see a little boom there. That is a relief to see that some of the vessels there that are being boomed. These were the ones where we actually saw the fluid coming off of it. They're not yet boomed, but they've been moved. Maybe that's why they weren't boomed, but we'll keep an eye on it. Hey, that's going to do it for the report today. I ask if you haven't done it yet, subscribe to the channel, please. Give us some thumbs up. Send us some comments. You know, we thrive on the comments. Love to see what you guys are thinking. But most of all, we want you guys to stay safe out there.